of Finance has rejected a key recommendation made by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs to actually exempt loan waivers granted under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code from being treated as taxable income under the proposed income tax bill. Timsy joins in with more details on that one. Timsy, can you explain it?
Well, yes, as we know, the Select Parliament Committee has submitted their report on the income tax bill, which was tabled in the Parliament on 21st of July. The over 4,500 pages of report actually lists out a very key proposal here. Ministry of Corporate Affairs on 17th of April in a committee meeting had proposed a suggestion that the exemption should be given to a potential bidder who picks up stressed assets under IBC. Basically, the loan waiver that they get is taxable under the IT Act right now, and this should be waived off. Now, this particular proposal has been rejected by the Ministry of Finance, and it is documented in that particular report. The rationale that Finance Ministry has given over here is that Section 79 of the IT Act already incentivizes the companies undergoing IBC proceedings by permitting carrying forward and setting off accumulated losses, even if there is a change in shareholding. IBC cases, the accumulated losses would be sufficient to absorb any income arising from loan waivers under Section 28(4) or 41(1) of the IT Act. The accounting standards require any loan waiver amount to be routed through profit and loss account, which supports the taxability. Also, it says that the government has already given up a large share of dues under IBC waterfall mechanism when this bidding is done. And several High Court decisions have held that loan waivers, even one-time settlements, are taxable. Thus, they have rejected this proposal. And let me remind you that this proposal was actually, this suggestion was given by MCA Secretary herself in front of the committee, and Ministry of Finance in writing replied to it. Also over here, important to note that both MCA and Ministry of Finance are headed by the same Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman. Meanwhile, industry had been demanding this exemption for quite some time, and they said that this was a key demand to make IBC more lucrative. So a big setback when it comes to MCA's proposal, and yes, to the industry's demand, where industry had been pitching this, that this loan waiver would make IBC more lucrative. But yes, IT department clearly not in favor, and Ministry of Finance giving it in writing to the select panel.
Okay, all right, Timsy. Thanks very much for that. Just want to point out that